Interested in gold prices? You're gonna want to listen to this. When it came to markets, the saying was, when E.F. Hutton speaks, people listen. Today, when George Milling Stanley speaks about precious metals, people listen. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. Milling Stanley is a legendary chief gold strategist at State Street Global Advisors with a precious metals career stretching back nearly 50 years that has proven he is someone to listen to. This is what Milling Stanley says he sees right now. A whole bunch of reasons why I think gold is strong and why I think it's going to get stronger. Perhaps the most compelling reason for his enthusiasm is what other analysts have noted recently: gold's impressive resilience in what is supposed to be a hostile interest rate climate. Through 2022 and 2023, the Federal Reserve boosted the Fed funds rate 11 times for a total of 525 basis points. But rather than fall to its knees, the supposedly rate-sensitive yellow metal stayed strong over that 2-year period, even outperforming several of the most popular mainstream asset classes. Gold's strength during relentless interest rate hikes is unprecedented, according to analyst Colin Hamilton of BMO Capital Markets. Hamilton suggests the relationship between gold and interest rates is now broken, ushering in what he says is a new era for gold. Gold has proven its strength regardless of the Federal Reserve's announcement last month that interest rates aren't likely headed down as soon as many have hoped. Addressing the question of when rate cuts might begin, Fed Chair Jay Powell said at the time, "I would tell you that I don't think it's likely that the committee will reach a level of confidence by the time of the March meeting to identify March as the time to do that." Despite the sudden negative impact the statement had on financial markets, it wasn't enough to push gold below the critical support level of $2,000 per ounce. If you like gold, how Milling Stanley sees gold right now is what you want to listen to. Gold is holding very, very steady at a very high level. That counts as momentum, and I expect we're likely to see even more of that. In addition, Milling Stanley points out continued demand for gold as a hedge against uncertainty. This trend is especially evident among Chinese households, as well as from China's central bank, which increased its gold reserves for the 15th consecutive month in January. Milling Stanley says he is not surprised to see central banks and Chinese investors turn to gold so vigorously. Gold offers protection plus performance. Gold will always offer you protection because gold historically has always reduced the volatility in a properly balanced portfolio. And over time, gold will also offer you performance, helping to enhance your returns. So now that you heard what Milling Stanley has to say, the question is, are you listening? And what are you going to do? Until next time.